Hey folks, this is Bill with Dine Drink Vegas. I'm here inside the Golden Nugget on Fremont Street in Las Vegas. For those of you who followed the channel for a while, you know that I've stayed at the Golden Nugget before because it's got a lot going for it. The pool is great, they got a lot of restaurant options, and they've got some great suites. What I want to do tonight is take you on a quick tour of the Rush Tower Corner Suite. Now, I've just checked in, and as I walk to the room, one of the things I want to tell you about, be real careful before you book on a third-party booking site. For example, I booked on the American Airlines site. They said I was getting a spa suite, and that's not what the hotel had at all, and I don't think that was the hotel's fault. So, if you know you want a specific room, book directly with the hotel, but still, Rush Tower is nice. A corner suite ought to be great. I'm looking forward to checking it out and showing it to you, so ride along with me. All right, folks, I've just gotten to my room. I actually haven't been in it yet because I like to walk through it with you as I'm discovering it for the first time. So let's take a look. Yay, the keyword. One of the things to note is that here in the Rush Tower, the elevators weren't great. There was a fairly long way and the elevator was pretty crowded. But as I go into the room, there's this initial hallway area, and I actually kind of like a place to leave your stuff, right? If you've got a group, you've got a place to leave your keys, and there's a refrigerator, which I don't think is a minibar. It is not. So folks, as I walk into this room, I think I've stayed in a very similar one before, and that reinforces the point where if there's a specific room you want, you don't want to book through a third-party booking site. You want to book directly with the hotel. But now coming into the main part of the room, you've got a nice size closet. Ironing board. I don't see the safe yet, but I'm sure it's around. And the bathroom is huge. I do enjoy the fact that the water closet, the room with the toilet, is separate. I also like the fact that it seems like it's well enough lit in here. The dual vanities are nice. It's a tub shower combo, but it seems to be very well done. And there's a make-ready area here, or frankly, you could use that as a desk. And I love this. They've got coffee. I can't tell you how many times I've woken up in Vegas and I've needed immediate coffee to get me through my day. So, going over here, this would be a great place if you were here with a group of guys for a sports weekend or something like that. Plenty of places to sit and watch whatever game you're watching. And I'm going to get back on the couch right now. Yeah, TV's great. So, coming around, you've got a second TV. They give you plenty of water bottles, and those are complimentary and included in the rooms. That's one of the things that the hotels in Vegas tend to do really, really well. Let's check out the view. So this corner suite has a look out onto Fremont Street. If you know that you want a quiet hotel stay, I would absolutely ask for a different room type, and I would ask for a different room location because I can hear the noise off of Fremont Street now, and it's not even 8 in the evening. It's 7:10 in the evening. That's going to get a lot louder, so you're going to want a different room location if you want the quiet, although the view is phenomenal. Going back around here, let's see what we can find out about power plugs. There's nothing there. A couple of light switches there. You do have the AC unit. Here we go. So they have plenty of places to plug in your devices. This is right here by the bed. You've got USB and regular power cords. Let's go check out the other side. There's nothing over here. So there's plenty of plugs. It's just that they're weirdly located because they're all in one space. So again, this is built with... Hey folks, so let me wrap this video up talking about what I like and I don't like about the Golden Nugget. Because again, I've stayed here several times before and I'm pretty sure I've stayed in this exact room type before. It's got a lot of restaurant choices. I love that. It also has, as far as I know, the only spa on the Fremont Street experience in Las Vegas. And if that's part of what you're looking forward to as part of your trip, well, then this is a place you're going to want to stay. They also are incredibly generous with their comp offers, and their comps apply here, or if I want to go to their casino in Biloxi, which is convenient as I've just moved into that region. However, there's some things that I don't like. One of those is I was forced to check in using a kiosk, and that made it really hard to ask questions about, hey, not sure whether this is the room I booked. Here's what my confirmation is. Like I didn't have any sort of way to do that. Also, the gambling odds are objectively terrible, right? A lot of places here on Fremont Street will let you play blackjack at 3-2, and here, most of the tables are 6-5. They've got 3-2 tables, but those tend to be at higher limits, and a lot of the odds on things like video poker aren't great. So would I stay here at the Treasure Island, or pardon me, would I stay here at the Golden Nugget again? Yeah, absolutely. I've done it before and I'll do it again. Just make sure you know what you're getting into And for the love of everything good, make sure you book directly with the hotel's website. Again, this is Bill with Dine Drink Vegas. I really hope this video has been helpful to you because what we try really hard to do here at Dine Drink Vegas is take short and focused videos which give you the information that you need to plan your next trip to Vegas. If we've done that, I would really appreciate your support for the channel. Please click like and subscribe. Also, leave a comment in the comment section below because every time you do that, it helps YouTube show our videos to more people. Thanks so much and happy travels!